The founder of the subreddit site Wall Street Bets has launched a blockchain-powered app featuring what are called exchange-traded portfolios. It's his next step in attempting to upend the financial system as we know it. And joining us now, Jamie Rogozinski, founder of the now, it says infamous, Jamie, I'm going to call it famous subreddit forum Wall Street Bets. Jamie, you tweeted out you were going to be on, and I appreciate that because I want all these people, all these followers, I want them all watching Squawk Box. But can you ask them to be kind? Would you mind? I do not. I can only speak for myself, but I don't want to wear a jacket, and so I am not a suit. So can we make that clear right from the start?
As you can see, I'm not also wearing a suit, but absolutely. And look, I think the idea is to get a lot of people in the crypto world to watch CNBC, right? This type of product that we're launching is the merging of ETPs and blockchains with traditional Wall Street. It's
fascinating. I got to tell you, I spent some time on it, and I was going to actually quote you on that, the amalgamation of blockchain with the financial market. So the way I understand it, and we've seen that a lot of people didn't want to be bogleized or didn't want just typical ETFs. And this is a way to really do a decentralized ETF where the community decides on the makeup of the exchange-traded portfolio using blockchain and tokens and smart contracts, which allow them. Is it necessary to get away from the Wall Street dominance over exchange-traded investments so that you can do your own because you got to push back on the man again, Jamie? Is that the whole idea?
Well, look, I mean, it's not necessarily to get away. It's to try and improve the system. We know the benefits of blockchain. We've seen it over the years, the transparency, the security of it, the democratization of it. And what we're doing here, and we've also seen the merging of the blockchain with regular Wall Street. You have Bitcoin futures trading on the CDOE. You have Coinbase going public, which makes it a nice symbolic gesture. You're starting to have synthetic stocks on the blockchain. And so we're getting ahead of the curve with this, taking the power of community to be able to come together to vote on a regular basis, much more in a much more nimble manner, much faster, to rebalance these ETPs or ETFs and put them on the blockchain, and combining asset classes from both the crypto world, like crypto coins, like Dogecoin, I guess, if you wanted to put it in there. You could put Bitcoin, you could put Ethereum, as well as regular stocks or even ETFs. And so pretty much the range of possibilities is unimaginable. And so we're really excited to be able to get ahead of this and to really further empower the people and further democratize finance.
Jamie, you created something. I mean, obviously, and can you comment on this? Are you no longer on Reddit because you tried they decided they didn't want people monetizing what was going on? Is this your way of monetizing this incredible space that you've basically created? And God bless you if it is. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but are you going to make money on this? Is this your baby that will be a big moneymaker for you personally?
I hope everyone makes money with this. I definitely am going to make money with this, and everybody that gets involved is able to make money with this. But also everybody else that gets involved with this is also able to be empowered with this. What happened with Reddit is yet to go public. There's a lot of rumors out there. I'm unfortunately unable to address them because I sold those rights to a movie studio. So you'll be able to see them on the big screen once that movie is out. And the idea of what I did with Wall Street Bets community, as well as what I'm doing with this WSB DApp, is to continue to push the envelope, to continue to empower the individuals, to continue to empower the retail, the small guys that are able to participate and have a voice in the market the way that they haven't been able to do previously.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.